Hey, how's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining me again. We're doing another unboxing of a fidget toy. We've got, I believe it's called the UFO Haptic coin. It's a mechanical haptic coin by Alpha EDC Metal Toy. Pretty nice looking box here. Let's get right into it, open it up. I've been excited to check this out because I've heard some people compare it to Top C by Metal Toys. And as you can see, it looks like a UFO. Alright, we've got some spare ball bearings and screws, quality control, tool for taking it apart. Move that aside. Go ahead and open this up. Got it in zirconium. That's very nice. This one is different from the Top C in the fact that it's not screwed together, so you can kind of play with the top part, like by doing stuff like that. Move it off to the side and it comes back because it's attracted through magnets. Sorry, a little off screen there. We got a row or a circumference of little beads. Looks like Teflon maybe. And then your track of divots here for the really nice mechanical haptic. Nice clicky kind. Yeah, that's kind of fun. Feels nice, got a nice click to it. Alright, and this does open up. Let's take this tool and see what's going on inside. Ah, okay. There's one big old magnet right there. Alright. Nice and simple. And there we go. One of my cats has just made this an unpleasant area to be, because apparently they had to use the restroom. Okay, let's take this part. These are a bit tight. Taking it slow so I don't accidentally strip anything. All right. Okay. There. Okay. Okay, so we've got like a ball bearing that pops out. Magnet right here. Bring it closer. Alright, so yeah, we got a ball bearing, pops out of the center. Then you got a central magnet here. There you can swap out your balls. It came with, looks like some steel balls to use instead. Let's try that out. Okay, did it only come with 5 of these small ball bearings? Alright, let's see. Ah, there it is. Hiding. Right there. Well, that didn't work. Maybe we'll try it this way. And hope for the best. Oops. Yeah, that's the way you're going to want to do it. Okay, well, not a huge difference. A little bit more metallic. No. I don't know. It's hard to describe, but just a little bit more crisp feeling. The sound isn't that much different. I actually think I'm going to put it back to the Teflon just to see what it feels like in comparison again, and also because I feel like it will wear better on the zirconium. Yeah, doesn't feel a whole lot different. Doesn't sound a whole lot different. Maybe a little deeper sounding. Yeah, I'll play around with it more, see how I like it, update you guys as usual. I don't know if it's quite a contender for top C. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. But I don't think it's quite as good as a top C. It's still fun though. Alright, well, thanks for watching another one. Stay tuned. We'll have more coming your way. Camping videos, fidget reviews, projects, different projects, the works. Thanks for hanging out. See you guys.